Hi everyone, my name is Rishit. Today is the 30th of December 2023 and I made a video earlier this week going over the front resting strategy that I've introduced with a simple strategy where if the date to today's open is more than the previous day close, it's a buy signal. If it opens lower than the previous day close, it's a sell signal. And obviously we did make this Excel sheet which I showed in the previous video which will monitor every single day what the change is. So obviously on the 29th we had to fill it in. So the previous day close, so the 28th close was 476.69. 29th open was 476.47, which was obviously a sell signal since it did open below the close. So the number of shares which we bought with their notional amount of $1 million was 2,094, and the close of the day was 475.31, and our total profit was 460.68. But after transaction charges, it was which subtracted $20.94. We ended up with a cumulative profit and loss from $1,440 and our daily return for the portfolio was 0.044%. Obviously, the cumulative is the same. SPY, on the other hand, made a return of minus 0.289%, and cumulative is the same for now because it is the first entry, and our portfolio alpha as for now is 0.333%. So this was just a short video going over the first iteration. Obviously, from now on, these will be These will be recorded and interpreted weekly, but since this was pretty much the last day of the week, we had to make a separate video for this one. But that's all for now. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next week where we go over the iterations of data that came from front testing this strategy. So thank you for watching and enjoy.